What's up, everybody? Mike with TryroFx, and today I'm bringing you our TryroFx monthly gold forecast completed Excel sheet. It's completed today, and the reason why I created this is I come from the corporate world. I'm always involved with spreadsheets, calculations, looking at the future, predicting where we're going to end up in the month, and I thought this right here would definitely help me out with my trading, and it makes it much more simpler. And so I want to present this today for you guys, and I'm going to offer this to you guys for free. Now it's only formatted for our strategy that we're teaching, and our strategy, we have two strategies. We have a scalping strategy that is very, very simple, and I keep the rules right here on my desk. I got a dry erase marker, and I keep my strategy checklist in a sheet. And if you check my Facebook page, you can see where I met with some of our members at a local Starbucks, and I taught him, how to use that sheet and keep it, how important it is. So let's go over this real quick just to show you how this works. Okay, so first of all, depending upon your account size balance, like we just got back from Disney World, so I just drained my account's about $500, left 500 in there. And so after a couple of days, today is election day right now. It's 12:35 a.m. in the morning, so we're still waiting on the results. So I traded a little bit today for scalping of like very micro mini trades, like 10 pip trades with a 0.01 lot size, using the broker platform that I've got. And we only trade the US 30 on this platform, and you can actually trade currencies if you want to, but I really like the US 30, and it is scary to some people, but I promise you, if you use money management and use it properly, you won't have these problems if you stick with it. Especially if you're using our strategy, because man, I struggled so long to learn Forex, and then I've got these strategies that they're consistent. We got the scalping strategy, which is a minimum 10 pips we go for. If you want to trail it, you can grab more pips. There's no limits. If you can stay behind it and follow 15, 20, 25 pips. But the name of the game is 10 pips to get out. Okay, grab your 10 and get out. And then we also have a daily 100 pip minimum strategy that hits daily, every day, for 100 pips to get out. Okay, so you can scalp the rest of the market if you want to. So it's really easy to grow an account with this broker. Okay, we have two brokers that we choose from. Like if you're very, very limited and you're afraid of trading the aggressiveness of the US 30, we do have another broker that you can trade, that it wouldn't kill your account if you had a small tiny account. So, but anyways, so just to start off with, first of all, we have what they call the targeted monthly income goal. And let me check something out here real quick, make sure I have my highlighter here. Here we go. Okay, but anyways, all right, so we want to make sure we have the you key your target in. Okay, so if you have $100, $200 in your account, you don't need to be pushing for $3,000. Okay, but if you're at $900, like $988 right now where I'm at, and I'm actually got some money in Coinbase and I'm transferring into this account, about another $600. So this would be about, I think I've got $680 coming in, so it'd be about $1,600-1,700, depending on what Bitcoin does and the fees. And then what you'll do is, so you put your total account balance in here. Then you'll come in right here, enter the amount of trading days to achieve your goal. So how many days are you wanting to trade to achieve your goal? So you'll pull up a calendar for the month, like say November. And this month we have 2 holidays that the banks will be closed on. So I'm only putting in 16 days this month. I think there's 19 or 20, 21 trading days, 20 or 21 trading days. total, but then you subtract your holidays from it. So, but I'm only going to commit 16 days. So right now, like day one, I've already put in 190 bucks in profit, which if you take this out, it only takes me for 16 days. I only need to make a minimum of $187, okay, for 16 days. But if I make more than that, that's great. That takes away from my 16 days. I might do this, meet my goal in 14, 13, 14 days or 12 days, just depending upon how I grow my account and if I increase my lot size. Let's talk about increasing your lot size real quick. Let me put that back in here. That's real numbers right there. So, all right, lot size. This is kind of like a trading plan also. So this calculator, it's a go-to. It's a planner. It's a goal planner. It's a motivational stuff in here. The strategy works. It's the tool. It's the system. You're the artist. How to make money trading Forex. Show up. Then if you zoom in, it says really. No, really. Show up. So our strategy is definitely it, you guys. There's no Fibonacci's. There's no drawing lines this way, that way. No checking your levels. No entering in on this. That happens. This happens. Draw out your alligators, your Bill Williams alligator system. Do this. Do that. All these bunch of hoo-ha indicators. Guys, if you're losing, you're not consistent in trading, you need to get with TryroFx. You need to get with us. Okay. So back to what we're talking about here, the lot size. Now this lot size income that we have over here is based upon the particular broker that I'm trading. Okay, so the lot size to trade per $1,000. So if you're pretty much below $2,000, you need to stay at 0.01. Okay, if you're $2,000 to $3,000, 0.02. If you're over 3,000, 0.03, so forth, so on. So this is just a little ledger here to let you know, especially if you're new, what you should be trading lot size wise. Okay, we want it visually right there with you. All right, with our 100 pip per day strategy, trading only the US 30, listed below are some examples of outcomes. So let me see if you can see this now. So if you just trade that one strategy alone, okay, if you trade it just itself, your goal is 100 pips a day. If you trade it with a micro lot size of 0.01, you're looking at $100 profit with our platform. Okay, yes, 0.04 lot size, $400 a day. 0.06, $600. 0.09, $900. It goes on. 0.10 will be $1,000. 0.20 will be $2,000. But you got to have the account balance size to handle those in case you have any drawdown. So, guys, this calculator is just it's cool. It's amazing. It doesn't probably look like a big wow factor, but I'm telling you, if you use it as a trading plan, as a planner, this will help you. Okay, the number one, this is your trading plan. Okay, and this right here, the chart, the graph, the calculator here is your, you enter your results. You go by this. Okay, I know not to trade more than this size. This is your journal. This is your trading plan, along the size of your entry rules for the strategy. Okay. Over here we have our TryroFx, the VPS we use, service provider that we use, because our 100 pip strategy, I am coming out with a EA that actually plots your support resistance levels, and it's an EMA that's involved with that. And once it plots those numbers, it takes the trade for you. So I like doing it manually also, just so I can be there. But it does happen at 5 a.m. in the morning. So if you want more information on it, please feel free to contact me or whatever. Okay. So we do have a VPS that we use. If you're interested in it, you just check it out. It's I personally use the Basic Plus package. Okay. You have a Basic and a Basic Plus, and you have another one more level above that. But if you're, and this is, I've had it for a year, 2 years, year and a half, 2 years already, so I love it. the broker that I'm using right now. I've used it for over 2 years now. We actually have a merch store, so if you want to support TryroFx and help us to continue to develop EAs and trading systems, our YouTube channel, if you want to subscribe, just click there to subscribe. And I do offer coaching sessions, you know, for an hour, $375. These prices are negotiable depending upon the circumstances, but for someone that wants to learn and comes in, these prices are very well worth it, because I can give you our strategy. We have a one-on-one strategy session with our trading strategy. I teach you how to do it. I can actually fly to you. I can come anywhere you're located here in the United States only, and I can fly to you. I can teach you our strategy. It'd be you would pay the flight ticket and cover the hotel and then the coaching session, you know, for an hour, 2 hours, or whatever. But if you fly me out there, it's just a one-time fee of, you know, just lifetime access, because apparently you're serious of learning. But most of it, we just take you to live meetings if you're within the state of South Carolina or Georgia. You know, we work at a social fee for that. But lately, I've been meeting people at a local Starbucks. So I go there, have some coffee, do a Zoom, or if you're very local, I do a lot of local ads also here on Facebook, and I just meet people at the local Starbucks and teach them how to trade, how to make money. Okay, and if I do this for free, the only part about it is people don't take action. They don't put the effort into the strategy or whatever. So I promise you, if you pay for it, I give you every ounce. I'm not leaving any tricks to the trading strategy or anything out. So I encourage you, if you want to follow me, you can see my results daily. Join our Telegram group. Let's see that I have it on here. I don't. Join our educational platform. We do have an educational platform also. It's $99 a month. We do provide signal services out of there as well, and you can earn from that platform as well. So you can earn on top of trading also. But we do have a Telegram channel that I encourage you to sign up with. You can find the link below this video in the description box. But if you want this platform, this calculator guide here, I encourage you to contact me. A lot of our members, when they do post comments and stuff, we ask them to use a disclaimer for the results that they're achieving. Some hashtags to use if you don't mind, to support what we're doing and support yourself as well. So this is the TryroFx monthly gold forecast calculator, and if you'd like to see what we're doing, you can take a 5-day free ride in our Telegram group to see our results, communicate with me, ask me questions, to see if you want to take action and learn our strategy. So get in contact with me. Love to hear from you guys. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, and love to hear from you guys. I'm a former struggling Forex trader that went full-time this year, 2020. I quit my corporate job and just trading. So full-time income. I'm going to show you I'm going to try to record my sessions every day and upload them to the channel so you can get an overview of what we're doing and watch me take my trades and go from there. Can't promise you every day because I can't talk a lot, because as you notice, our office is in the bedroom, and so sometimes when my wife comes home in the morning from work, she's a nurse, so she has to get some rest. So needless to say, this is it, guys. Just give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'm all about trying to help people. I'm only want to help people if you want to take action on a strategy. I've gone through the years of giving away stuff for free, and just no one takes action on it. Okay, there's no value to it. What we charge for what we do should be way more than what it is. So get in contact with me. I promise you, you'll love it. I'll put you in the group for 5 days, no charge, free access. So just get in contact with me, and we'll go from there. Information to get in contact with me, just click on the links within the description box below the video. If you haven't yet, subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and love to hear from your comments. Thanks. Bye.